The GoPro Fusion captures everything around you, so if you really want awesome perspectives, mounting is the way to go. To mount Fusion, you'll need to use the mounting fingers that come with the camera. They're super versatile and work with tons of GoPro mounts. The Fusion grip is the most versatile way to capture handheld and stationary content with Fusion. To have access to the battery door to easily switch out batteries or SD cards while the camera is mounted, attach the thumb screw to the opposite side. With Fusion you get two adhesive mounts, one for flat surfaces and one for curved surfaces. Always attach adhesive mounts to a smooth, clean surface at least 24 hours before use to allow them to adhere properly. These mounts make it easy to secure the camera to vehicles, bikes and other gear. If there's any possibility that you might lose your camera during an activity like surfing or whitewater rafting, attach the camera with a tether. Just loop the tether through the mounting fingers so it's secure, then attach the other hand to a secure location. You can use Fusion with lots of other mounts and accessories. Visit GoPro.com to find the right one for your activity.